Salina babone nyonso ya dasa te motivi bokamata bambote na bino bisika bozali botuna kinga mingi wapi Gatsby le magnifique ye yo mwana na biso ya SB aza toujours na kati ya SB botika komitungisa mabosa abonné massivement boyoka ye na mama na ye.
My name is Sila Bisalu.
Oh, great. She's an actress, right?
Yes.
Yes. And you are learning English, right?
Yeah, step by step.
Step by step. Perfect. This is just perfect.
I'm student at Cali.
Very good. She's a student at Cali.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sila.
Bye.
Bye-bye. No, I'm not giving you the questions. How are you?
I'm good. And
Okay.
you, teacher,
I'm fine. Yes, I'm fine.
My best teacher on the
Thank
lesson,
you.
the perfect.
Thank you very much. So
Yes, come people to
Cali.
Cali.
Yeah.
Cali, English is important. Come to Cali, is the best lesson. The teacher very well.
Very good. So
Yes.
Do you like your English class? Do you like
Oh,
it?
I like.
Oh, very good. That's very good.
I like English.
Very good. And do you like your teacher?
Oh, the best teacher.
Oh,
I like
thank
my
you.
teacher.
Oh, thank you so much.
God bless you, teacher.
God bless you too. Hello, guys. I'm here with Sila Bisalu, the student of Cali. How are you, Sila?
I'm well.
You are well, huh?
Yeah.
What's your name again?
My name is Sila Bisalu.
Oh, great. She's an actress, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Les abakuku tozaya kosepela paske les abakuku oye les adasashu oye naseka titre ya film na biso ezali nini révélation donc révélation titre ya film na biso ezali révélation donc nzamba zo révéler biso tokozala révéler bato ya milili bokozala révéler na misala na bino ya molili donc titre yango wana epesami baleza bakuku les adasashu bozala kimia parce que film na bino ezobanda kala te. À bientôt bozala connecté branché sur SB bokozwa film na bino kala te. Déjà tomoni titre révélation donc à bientôt bozo zwa biloko na bino akolia bozala branché na kati ya SB donc tango film na biso zo banda mbala moko to bandi na ba live na biso toko bando live banda 18h30 ti 19h30 toko lobela makambo e bando koleka na ba épisode bo continuer ko s'abonner na dasa te moti.